Day two of studying neuroplasticity. So, what I learned today was pretty simple. In the last video, we studied um, human history and this overall view on how um, our brains are very hardwired and everything is fixed. It's not a flexible system. It was believed that you cannot change who you are. A lot of people still think this. This is a very common belief. Like, oh, it's very natural to take genes from our parents, like repeat their behaviors or habits or addictions that are very hardwired in a person cannot be changed. This was a view, right, which I discussed in my last video. Like brain autonomy, like physically, our brain was thought to not be able to change. But as more research came to be, we learned that the brain is more like plastic than it is a machine. Neuroplasticity, this term, what does it refer to? Neuro means neuron or brain cells, and plastic is anything which is malleable, changeable, or modifiable. So the term neuroplasticity suggests how we can change our brain's very thinking patterns and structure. And in the last video, I discussed this in detail, but yeah, that's basically where the term neuroplasticity has come from. Other than that, what I learned today was there are many things our brains can do. Like, you can actually turn your genes on and off. I'm yet to learn how this is, but yes, you can turn your genes on and off in those specific words that was described. Okay. Other than that, you can, oh yeah, when a specific circuit, like a specific pathway in your brain stops working, it becomes damaged, another circuit can often replace it. Oh yeah, dead brain cells can also be replaced. In general, we know that cells can be replaced by other cells, but this is also true for brain cells. Neurons can be replaced. I learned that today. Other than that, yeah, you are not stuck with the mental capabilities you were born with, oftentimes. Yeah, your brains can rewire themselves. That's where the term rewiring comes from. It's not hardwired, it's soft wired. Yeah, other than that, yeah, certain reflexes are not hardwired within you, which this one I found the most interesting. Reflexes, the very term goes against this very concept of neuroplasticity, because reflexes often obviously refers to the acts that we take unconsciously without any thought, but many reflexes are actually not hardwired within our brain, which I find very interesting. So this is the main part that I learned. Some other parts that I learned were just very interesting stories with people. So this I found very incredible. Um, so neuroplasticity has proven to help enhance the memories of 80-year-olds to make their brains function like it did when they were 50. Amazing. Sorry, 55. Amazing. Many mental limitations were altered. Oh yeah, and many brain diseases were also altered in many cases, which is again just incredible and so fortunate that we were able to discover this. And it just makes me believe that if people with like kind of like unhealthy, not very not like damaged brains can achieve so much, then I think this can also apply to the average human. So plasticity is a system which I think can be used for every person, and it can be used by anyone. So yeah, that's what I intend to study for myself, and it's my intention with this series to study neuroplasticity. Why do I keep saying neuroplasticity. Oh, I can't talk, every day, so that I learn how to make the system. But yeah, that's basically what I studied. Oh yeah, and also I learned that This can also cause some issues sometimes, because sometimes your brain gets so into, like, the plastic gets so hardened that it becomes very hard to fall out of a certain process you think, or a certain habit you have formed. So you need to be very consciously aware of all this. But in with the right techniques, we can learn the extent of the human brain and how to be fully in control. So yes, this is everything I learned for today.